वहाँ like if you're going to meet someone उनको 1 महीने पहले call करोगे.
ਕਿਹੜੇ ਆਰਟਿਸਟ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ?
Worked with Karan Aujla, I've done with Guru Randhawa. It doesn't work. You have to just network, be friendly, talk to people. Then in the future they need something, they'll remember you. Dream projects definitely would be hosting like a Diljit Dosanjh show.
नमस्कार दर्शकों, चंडीगढ़ स्टोरीज के एक और एपिसोड में आपका स्वागत है, जहां हम बुनते हैं बहुत सारे किस्से, कहानियां और बातें। इसी की रियल लाइफ स्टोरी के साथ आज हमारे साथ हैं डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम यूएसए अटलांटा वहां के आर्टिस्ट, जो कि जी हाँ ठीक सुना आपने, यूएसए अटलांटा, जो कि डायरेक्टली आ गए हैं चंडीगढ़ स्टोरीज में। प्लीज वेलकम जेसिका। जेसिका, हाउ आर यू?
I'm good. How are you doing today?
Oh, thank you for the testimony. मैंने बहुत ही चीज़ी सी ओपनिंग करी थी ना। But Jessica is an artist. She has worked in US. Now she has come to Chandigarh, Punjab. ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇੱਥੇ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਵਾਲੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੈ, ਇੱਥੇ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਲਚਰ ਹੈ, ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਣ ਆਈ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੀ ਹਾਂ।
Yes,
So
definitely.
please tell us more about you to our audience.
Okay guys, so as mentioned, मेरा नाम Jessica Chaudhary है, and I guess ਜਿਹੜਾ title ਅੱਜਕੱਲ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਪਿਆ, I'm an artist, which I guess, but so I dance, I do shows, I MC as well, and I've done basically everything: music videos, live shows, a lot of like content shoots, modeling, pageants, basically everything.
Wow.
So now I have come to Chandigarh to pursue that dream.
Wow. So tell us how you started all that.
So started my family and a lot of us in Atlanta, we've had a society there for a while. It's called Punjabi Society. It's a non-profit organization. So I think I started dancing when I was 10 maybe.
Wow.
Around 10 I started doing like Bhangra and Gidda. I want to say 5 years ago I did music videos. So we've been doing, me and my like family, we've been doing shows for a while, but we did music videos 5 years ago. That is the first time I ever came to Chandigarh.
For a music video?
Yes, for a music video. I was 15 too, so I was very, very young. The music video karan aaye hi, and now that I look back at them, they were really cringy. I will be honest. At that time, I didn't have any sense of, what to do, what anything. I was with much older male actors too. So it did look a little funny now that I look back at it. But we did 4 to 5 songs here, like with some local artists. And then I went back, and then that was the start of my, I guess, artist career.
So, ਕਿਹੜੇ ਆਰਟਿਸਟ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ?
So recently I worked with Karan Aujla, I've done with Guru Randhawa, Jubin Natyal, Arjit Singh, Jasmine Sandler, Sherry Man, a lot of like Punjabi artists for
That's
live
great.
shows.
That's great.
Yeah.
तो लाइव शोज में आप उनको कैसे असिस्ट करते थे?
So हमारा सबसे पहले होता है, we manage the show, so we do artist management, live shows कराना, and then of course because ये सारा back काम करना, I have to be in the spotlight as well, पीछे से नहीं रहना. So I also MC. So I'll go on stage, do the hi guys, welcome, all of that, and then बाद में बस show enjoy करो बैठ के.
लोग जो आते थे वो आर्टिस्ट को भी देखते थे या सिर्फ अपने एमसी को देख के खुश हो जाते थे?
नहीं, I hope मुझे देखने आते थे, but realistically I think artist को देख के जब मैं बोल रही हूँ, most people, I hope the attention was on me. But yeah, so dancing at these shows or talking on these shows is really, really fun. Spending time with artists. You see thode artists, they have really, really just unique things they do. I worked with one artist, Punjabi artist, and show se pehle we had 10 minutes left of the show. He had to go and he said sarson ka tel maine pehle balon mein lagana stage pe jaane se pehle, or else I won't do the show.
Why is that?
No idea. And keep in mind Atlanta mein it's not har 5 minute mein, and he needed it from an Indian shop too, so not just from any store. So we drove 20 minutes, and but Punjabi timing, show 7 baje shuru, time likha hai, so 10 baje ho jayega. So we were still on time. So it went well. But that's like recently the artist I've worked with.
ऐसा कौन सा आर्टिस्ट है? The question is really tricky. If you don't want to name, that's okay.
Yeah.
But just tell us the story कि जिसके साथ आप बिल्कुल काम नहीं करना चाहो और क्यों?
To be honest, I don't think there would be any artist. I mean, so MC mein I would have like, you meet the artist, you talk to them, that's it. But as someone who manages the shows, all of our artists have been fairly well. I know when I was younger, there was one artist that disappeared after the show. So, जब आप artist management कर रहे हो, of course, it is our duty कि the artist is getting from one place to another. He's getting to his next show, artist disappears out of nowhere.
Wow.
We have no
फिर
idea.
फंस गए?
And someone found him. Someone called us saying, the artist is here. Which, I mean, it's really hard because, of course, artists, they're big people. So they don't want to be told कि यहाँ बैठो, यहाँ खाओ, ये करो. But they don't realize that. So it's no artist, I would say कि, oh my God, like हाथ जोड़े कभी काम नहीं करूँगी. But there are some artists, they give you a, good time doing your work. They really
Yeah.
make you work hard.
Yeah. Jessica, it's really fun talking to you. I really hope our audience is also enjoying that. Please comment करके बताओ कि जो है अब तक का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट और बढ़िया पार्ट आपको क्या लगा है, या जेसिका से कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहते हो. Jessica, in case our audience want to ask something directly to you, please अपना Instagram ID एक बार share कर दो.
So my Instagram is the Jessica_Chaudhary, JESSICA_CHAUDHARY.
Thank you so much. So Jessica, please tell us more about what brings you to India.
So honestly, it was not planned at all. It was my mama ji shadi in July. So we had come, our house here just got renovated, it just got finished. It was our first time. This had been in the talks for a while, but we never really took action on it. And of course, like, I love doing cultural activities, cultural like shows, which it's much easier to do that in India where your culture is more active. So we came to Chandigarh for wedding shopping. I came to buy some outfits, and I guess we liked them so much we decided to shift here. We said, why not?
Permanently?
Not permanently, definitely. My dad said this is a very long vacation. But of course, we just thought if we don't like it, we take everything back, go back home. So that's always an option. But right now it is like I'm here 1 week, I'm back in US. So I'm doing that flight about 2 times a month. So it's very, very fun.
Very, very difficult to
Very, very
achieve.
fun, difficult. I could live at an airport. I know them now very well.
सही है जेसिका. तो स्टडीज वगैरह कुछ कर रहे हैं आप?
Yes, so I'm pursuing my BBA at Chandigarh University,
Uh-huh.
which it's really nice. It's definitely different. हमेशा से India की पहले I wanted to try the hostel life, but I decided पहले college से ही शुरू करती हूँ before make such a big jump. But it's definitely fun. It's an experience. It is completely different.
क्या
College
डिफरेंस फील होता है आपको?
from, I mean, like, यहाँ बहुत ही ज़्यादा, वहाँ जो आप ढूंढ रहे होते हो ना कि मैं पंजाबी फ्रेंड्स बनाऊँ, यहाँ मिल जाते हैं. जब पहले हम आए ना, I would tell my mom, I was like, Mom, मेरा like cab driver पंजाबी है. And my mom be like, what are you expecting there? But it's very, very nice. First, I think one month was a struggle. पहला 1 month was a struggle. Then I started getting involved and stuff. फिर बहुत मजा आता है. It is as long as I keep myself busy. फिर बहुत
Definitely ऐसा ही लगता होगा ना, वो इतने पंजाबी आ
इतने
गए.
पंजाबीज आ गए. But honestly, CU में diversity बहुत है.
Uh-huh.
मेरे क्लास में बस 6-7 पंजाबी है.
That's
So
it?
that is a little letting down. कि I was expecting, class full of like 40-50 पंजाबीज. वहाँ सारे पंजाबी में ही पढ़ाएंगे. Which is good because मेरी पंजाबी भी इतनी अच्छी नहीं थी. So I don't think मुझे कुछ समझ आता.
Are you looking for Punjabi friends?
Yes.
Guys, मौका है.
पंजाबी friends.
अगर तुम्हें सिर्फ इतना पंजाबी में कितना बोलना आना चाहिए?
थोड़ा आधा
थोड़ा-
पंजाबी तो आए.
आधा पंजाबी भी आता है ना, मौका है तुम्हारे पास. So tell our audience if they know how to speak in Punjabi, what would be your coffee date place?
Coffee date place would be 3B2's Pav Bhaji. अगर India आई हूँ, I don't want to go to a cafe.
Oh,
I want to
nice.
eat something yummy. Which
3B2 वाले हो, मौका पूरा है.
I want to go after this as well. So hopefully मैं अपनी TikTok पे
कहाँ घूमे हो आप?
I've been to Elante and CP
Hmm.
and McDonald's. I think. The other thing, yes, difference is America's McDonald's is not good and India has really yummy McDonald's.
Uh-huh.
But चंडीगढ़ में इतना घूमे नहीं आया. मैं ज़्यादा इंडिया में we come every year. मैं इंडिया में कहीं नहीं घूमी. Like I want to go to the Taj Mahal. I want to go to Rajasthan.
ये तो बिल्कुल ही टूरिस्ट प्लेसेस हो गई ना. मैं तो जैसे 3B2 मार्केट.
वहाँ भी like I went a couple of days ago to eat pav bhaji and दोपहर के 12 बजे थे and I did not know timing होता है. So it was closed. So that was a real heartbreak. तो अब मेरे माइंड में वो चल रहा है. So that would be my ideal coffee date.
Yup. So ideal coffee date guys, 3B2 पाव भाजी, सस्ते में सोनी गुड़ी। जेसिका डेट तो पता लग गया कि कहाँ पे लेके जाना है। ये मुद्दे पे आते हैं कि अभी आपके कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स यहाँ पे चल रहे हैं, सब अच्छा चल रहा था वैसे तो यूएस,
Yes.
इंडिया क्या ही आए, क्यों ही आए?
I mean, the thing is, I did come here thinking यहाँ projects बहुत ज़्यादा मिलेंगे. It's just a lot more opportunities. वहाँ जो हम साल में एक बार ही वेट करते हैं कि कोई इंडियन पार्टी आए. Here there are many many. Of course, going to see you, like I feel like every week there is an event there. So it is very very nice. You're just closer with your culture. I think it's an experience because I'm born and raised there. कभी इंडिया like रही नहीं हूँ, so it's definitely an experience.
So you have been missing India for a while now.
Yes.
आते ही रिग्रेट तो नहीं फील हो रहा है?
नहीं, I would say though, definitely, like I would not see it as a long-term plan. Like I would be like एक टाइम पे वापस घर जाना है. But अभी के लिए I'm enjoying it for the next. I can do my college life here easily.
Oh, that's great.
Yes.
आपने बताया आपने करण औजला के साथ काम किया है, और किस किस आर्टिस्ट का आपने मेंशन किया है?
I've worked with Guru Randhawa. Recently, I hosted a Jubin Natyal show. अरिजीत सिंह का host किया था. गुरनाम पुल्लर का किया था. A lot of Punjabi singers.
और कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स आपके लाइंड अप हो?
We have, I can't name it, but some live shows in the
Okay.
talks right now, and then some more like jab se India I, I've been into modeling, like you know, Indian outfits, ethnic wear, so some of those lined up.
दैट्स नाइस।
Yeah.
आपके कुछ ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में बताओ जो आप करना चाहोगे?
Dream projects definitely would be hosting like a Diljit Dosanjh show. You know, I think unke DM mere usse bhare hoenge ki this is my portfolio if you ever need a host, and from my friends too, telling that this is our friend and she likes to host. So
Oh.
definitely that. My dream has been to become a vlogger. Like I really want to become a vlogger,
हाँ,
but I just मैं बाहर जाके vlog नहीं कर पाती. Like मैंने कैमरा भी लिया. I
but
did everything. फोन भी अभी नया लिया सोच के कि vlogger बनूंगी, so it's worth it. But
नहीं हो
नहीं,
पा
my phone is full. But अभी तक Instagram पे एक 2 मिनट का डाला है.
दैट्स इट।
And वो भी कभी कभी सोचती डिलीट कर देती हूँ. But that's it.
तो
So
दिलजीत पाजी के इतने सारे शोज हुए, कोई होस्ट किया क्यों नहीं?
I told you I've been trying to DM. I did get in contact once for artist management, but that was, I think, honestly too big of a scale for me to do right now. It was very, very big. My family went to the show in USA, but I was in India. So मैं अभी तक show पे नहीं गई.
दिलजीत पाजी
So show पे बुला
देख लो,
लो.
बंदी डीएम पे डीएम करे जा रही है, तुसी इग्नोर कर रहे हो।
But yeah, definitely that would be my dream project. But I'm open, like I want to be versatile to anything I can do, whether that's hosting, dancing, photography, modeling, anything. So I'm very open to like different projects.
मतलब कुछ भी आ जाए यार, इतना सब कैसे सीख लिया? कितनी उम्र से, 10 साल से ही कर रहे हो क्या?
10 साल से नहीं. I think I was like 14, so it's been what, 6 years.
6 years?
Yeah.
Oh, 6 years में तो इतना सब कुछ? You said you dance, you MC.
डांस तो शुरू से कर रही हूँ, पर डांस तो I'm पंजाबी, वो तो हो ही जाता है, सबको आता
जनरेटर पे
है,
ही कर देंगे।
सबको आता है. It's like in your genetics.
Yeah.
But I think बाकी का it's just you have to be confident. To be an MC बस बात करनी आनी चाहिए, बस बोलते रहो, फिर बंदा MC बन जाता है. Simple as that. Friends के साथ बोलते रहो, that's the best experience you need. But you know, I love the spotlight. I love lights on me. So उसके लिए जो भी stage पे मिलेगी ना opportunity, I will happily take it.
ये तो मैं बिल्कुल मानता हूँ कि यू लव द स्पॉटलाइट। मैंने इतने शोज कर लिए अब तक, पर मैं बाकी शोज में बोलता था, आज मेरे को बोलने का मौका ही नहीं मिल रहा। You have taken all the
Yes, I
spotlight
love
on
the
you.
spotlight. But I think also as like a girl, that's good. You know how to take it, because I think for like especially younger girls in the field, I've been doing it since I was a kid. They'll push you around. कि नहीं बेटा आप बाद में आ जाना. I've been to shows where I've done it with full grown uncles and मुझे वो side पे कर देते हैं. So you have to learn कि attention आप मेरे पे ही रखो, कहीं और नहीं जानी चाहिए. You have to be attention seeking basically in a good way.
Yes. Attention
But yeah.
seeking से याद है, your nails are also seeking my attention.
Yes, very very
Beautiful.
long.
कहाँ से करवाए आपने?
ये तो मैंने USA से ही कराए थे.
अच्छा।
But yeah, अगर कोई चंडीगढ़ में अच्छी नेल स्पॉट जानता है,
तो कोई चंडीगढ़ में अच्छा नेल स्पॉट जानता
Yeah.
है तो नीचे डीएम करके बताओ कि इसे कहाँ मिलना चाहिए।
yes, because that is also something. My nails always have to be done. नहीं तो मुझे कुछ होएगा.
जैसी कब बातें तो चलती ही रहेगी। और कल्चर डिफरेंस की हमने बीच में बात करी थी। कल्चर डिफरेंस में माइंडसेट डिफरेंस भी क्या फील होता है इंडिया और यूएस में?
Mindset difference, one thing is people यहाँ बहुत friendly है, which I like. वहाँ लाइक इफ यू गोइंग टू मीट समवन उनको 1 महीने पहले कॉल करोगे कि अगले 3 महीने में मेरे घर आ जाना किसी दिन। यहाँ सेम डे लोगों को मिल रहे थे। इट्स वेरी इम्प्रॉम्प्टू व्हिच आई लव दैट। बट हियर इट्स जस्ट मच मोर फ्रेंडली। बट अगेन यहाँ थोड़े सोच समझ के भी फ्रेंड्स बनाने पड़ते हैं। यू हैव टू थिंक इट थ्रू, स्पेशली बीइंग फ्रॉम अब्रॉड एंड ऑल। But I think mindset difference, to be honest, now itna nahi hai. Like I was
सब बिल्ले
expecting, yeah, but also I was expecting like especially here, I guess it's much more like up than I had thought. पूरा there's not that much of a difference. That's why जब मैं लोगों के मुंह से सुनती हूँ ना कि यार कुछ भी करके like बाहर जाना है, I just don't understand the craze
क्यों
at
लेकिन
all.
ऐसा
Because I feel like, you know, the thing is, especially from like Canada, Australia, बच्चे यहाँ they're from good families. These kids have never had to work, they've never had to cook, they've never had to clean. वहाँ जाके 2 3 shifts लगा रहे हैं. So they don't realize that, and I think that is the problem with the people, because वो ना अपना hard नहीं दिखा रहे, बस social media पे they're showing that किसी और की गाड़ी दिखा देनी है this, and यहाँ बैठे बच्चे सपने लगा रहे हैं. वहाँ पहुँच के जो सपने टूटते हैं ना, फिर they realize that they're gonna have to work because there are so many people there.
पर
So
अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट भी बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा
there
है
is a huge rate of unemployment. You know, Canada तो mini पंजाब कहते हैं right now. वहाँ tractors चल रहे हैं road पे. So I mean, which is amazing, but फिर like इतने college students हैं, they're not gonna find jobs, right? And of course, लोग बाहर क्यों जाते हैं? For the lavish lifestyle, the Mercedes, the Porsches, all of that, and they realize that they don't, you know, that you're not just gonna get that on a silver plate.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to work hard, and usually यहाँ से अच्छी families में है, but वहाँ जाके उनको जब मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, it's like reality check.
So in short, if in case you want to give any message to our audience, what message?
I think if you're doing good here, stay here. You're gonna miss your family. You're gonna miss everything. It's not, you know, the amazing thing people are showing on social media for students that are going alone, especially.
And also to someone who wants to be an artist like you, so उनको अगर कोई message देना चाहो कि how they started, how should they start, and what
I
should they do?
think just networking. For me, I've never had, like, honestly speaking, I'm not active on Instagram. I need to be. I'm not active. I just post whatever I want. I like my Instagram जैसे Snapchat पे private story होती है ना, जो भी मन करता है डाल देती हूँ. डाल के 2 दिन बाद delete कर दूंगी. ना कोई timing check करनी. In my opinion, Instagram पे सारे famous होने का try कर रहे हैं. It doesn't work. You have to just network. Be friendly. Talk to people. Gappe maro. You know. Just then in the future they need something, they'll remember you. Most of the times they'll be like, oh, you shoot aa raha hai, like if you're free, do you want to come? I think networking is really important as an artist, even if you're like a beginner, if you're already up there, networking, knowing how to talk.
So networking कहाँ पे करें? What are the platforms?
Anywhere. College में कर लो. Do like networking can be done anywhere, and my dad is really big on that. Literally, you go into a restaurant, just you see someone, and I guess that is one other difference. वहाँ people like आपके साथ कोई खड़ा होएगा ना, you'll start talking to them, right? Here you do it, either someone's gonna think you're flirting with them, or they're gonna think you're really weird.
Yeah.
वहाँ everyone smiles at each other. They're really nice. यहाँ you cannot smile back or stare back if they do. So I think, I guess India में networking थोड़ा मुश्किल है, but just, you know, family, friends, just be nice. कोई किसी से introduce कराता है, ये like, you know, they have a clothing store, they have that, just reach out. You have to be confident कि, you know, if you have an opportunity, DM me.
Yes.
Be confident about it. That's it. It doesn't matter how many followers you have. Doesn't matter how many like reels you're going viral. It just depends on your confidence.
That's really great input. Thank you so
Yeah.
much for that input.
Thank you.
So that's all for today. I think we have lot of talks, lot of fun. मैं हूँ आपका दोस्त और आपका होस्ट प्रणय चावला, और ये है चंडीगढ़ स्टोरीज, जहाँ हम बुनते हैं किस्से, कहानियाँ और खूब सारी बातें. आज हमारे साथ थी जेसिका. आपको जेसिका से कुछ भी पूछना हो बिफोर वी लीव, जेसिका एक बार फिर से अपना इंस्टाग्राम आईडी बता दो.
So it is the Jessica_Chaudhary.
Jessica_Chaudhary, एंड प्लीज DM हर, फॉलो हर. इसके DMs इतने फुल कर दो. ऐसे ही चंडीगढ़ स्टोरीज को भी फॉलो करो, DM करो और देखते रहो. मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में. बाय बाय. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग.